Sit down and extend the leg. Place the device on the leg with the hinge on the affected side of the knee. Ensure proper alignment of the device on the leg by aligning the Össur logo on the hinge with the upper edge of the patella and front edge of the hinge cap with the midline of the leg. Place the blue lower buckle button into the blue calf shell keyhole and use the palm of the hand to snap the lower buckle closed. Place the yellow upper buckle button into the yellow thigh shell keyhole and use the palm of the hand to snap the upper buckle closed. Bend the knee with the foot flat on the floor. Turn the calf smart dosing dial clockwise until the indicator is in the middle slot. And then repeat this for the thigh strap. Sit with knee bent and foot flat on floor. Open both lower and upper buckles. Pull the buckle buttons out of the keyholes. Remove the device from the knee.